artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we're drawing a candy corn for Halloween. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello, little artist. Today my son Mateo is here with me. Mateo, you wanna say hi?
Hello.
Mateo and I were gonna draw this version of a candy corn, and it's a spooky version, right?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna start this picture in the middle of the paper, then we're gonna go to the left, okay? And then we're gonna start doing a oval shape here for the first eye, and my oval shape is gonna be a little bit more pointy on the top. Good. Now we're gonna leave about 2 finger space, and we're gonna do another one. Now the eyes are gonna be different sizes. This eye is gonna be smaller, okay? So we're gonna do like that, and I wanna start creaking my eye, and it's the same thing. It's a little bit more pointy to the top. And if you notice, my eyes are actually not symmetrical. They are not straight also. Like, we are trying to move the line a little. Good job. Now we're gonna do the mouth, and he's frowning, so the mouth is in the middle of the 2 eyes. So I'm gonna start doing a curve, okay, like that. Good job. And now we're gonna curve the corners, and we're gonna curve on the center, and it's gonna look like this. I'm curving the corner, going up, down, and curve again. Good job. Now on the top, on the right side, we're gonna do kind of like a bite shape, like somebody already gave him a little bite. What I'm gonna do is here in the center of the mouth, I'm gonna follow this line. I'm gonna go up, and I'm gonna put a little dot here. This is gonna be the top of the candy corn. Okay, maybe lower, yeah, exactly, just like that. And then we're gonna do curves to kind of like imitate the bite. So we're gonna do one little one, maybe one bigger, another one, and one more, okay? And I'm just gonna barely pass, kind of like 2 finger space after I pass the eye. Good job. Now, in the here where we start putting our dot, we're gonna do a curve that comes down, and it's gonna pass the eye and the mouth, and it's gonna look like this. So I'm gonna start from here. I wanna curve, and I wanna start going slow around the eye, okay? And I want to pass the mouth, and once that I pass the mouth, I want to start curving down, okay, like that. Yeah, pass the mouth, and once you pass the mouth, you start curving. Good job. Stop right there. Perfect. Now we're gonna do the other side, and I want to do the same idea. Once that I pass the mouth, I'm gonna start curving. So I'm gonna start here going down, and I'm getting close to the mouth, so I'm gonna start curving here. You know what you think? It can look all kinds of things right now, eh? Mm-hmm. And now we're gonna join these two by doing a line a little bit more straight, which is the line where he's sitting, right? Like just like that. Good job. Now we're gonna do a little bit more in the bite. So I wanna do here a line that goes curves up, and I wanna try to skip the lines I just did. I'm just gonna add some curves here until I reach to the other side. Okay, now to make it look more like a candy corn, we're gonna mark the lines where the colors are gonna go. So we're gonna mark the first line kind of like on the top of the eyes. We're gonna go like this, a curve. I imagine it pass behind the eye, and it keeps going to the other side. And if your eyes cross there, then you just need to pass it in behind. We're gonna do a highlight on this side. So we're gonna do first a little circle, and then we're gonna do kind of like a drop shape underneath the circle. Now this part we're gonna leave it white, and let's mark the last line of the candy corn. So I'm gonna start here in the middle of where this drop was. I wanna go like this, pass in behind, and I wanna continue going to the other side. And there, that's it. We finished this candy corn, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our pictures turn out. What do you think, Mateo?
Good.
Yeah, I think after we put the colors, they turn out really good. At the beginning, didn't really look like much. For mine, I decide to put brown inside the eye before I fill it with the black color. I also decide to put yellow around the eyes before I put the orange color, and I feel like that gives him a lot of more 3D shape. I also add orange around these parts, so it gives them a little bit of 3D shape, a little bit of like deep to the bite. And we leave this highlight here white. You can skip the part where you put the marker around it, and that makes it look even better. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time. Bye.
Ooh.